Hi, Mr. Boaz. Shannon Cowart here with Tameron Hyundai. You had inquired about the 2013 Sonata. Took the opportunity to pull one of our vehicles out. Silver, beautiful. Let's get right to it. Walk right over here. You will notice in the back seat there is beautiful cloth interior, ample room, and I mean very roomy. As we come over here, I'm going to show you on the steering wheel, we've got a control system, volume control for the stereo, cruise control, your trip reset, your Bluetooth. Hey, we even pair that phone for you before you leave off the lot. Stereo, CD, XM, AM, FM, MP3, you've got the auxiliary, the iPod. We give you every avenue, that way you can enjoy your music. Now, I want to tell you a little bit about the warranties on this thing. You have a 100,000 mile 10-year warranty on the powertrain. The dealership adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 or 20 years. Whichever one comes first. We have a 5-year 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-perforation warranty, as well as a 5-year roadside assistance. Once again, I'm Shannon Cowart with Tameron Hyundai. The number here is 205-380-6250. My cell number 205-907-4700. I look forward to hearing from you and meeting with you. Thank you.